Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for dropping in, and I'm sure that you would love this. Today we'll be talking about kajals, as you already know, and who doesn't love kajals. I have been using them for over a decade now, and I have shortlisted a few, and these 5 kajals will not let you down no matter what. You cry, obviously don't rub your eyes. Jokes apart, these kajals are great and they have stayed for so long. I would also like to tell you that we have 5 kajals, under which 3 kajals are below 200 and the 2 kajals range up to 700, but these two are also great. Again, it depends on your usage, how long you wear it, where are you wearing it, the humidity and stuff. But these 5 kajals are worth your try, and I assure you, once you buy them, you will be back getting them again and again. So let's quickly dive into the video. So let's start with the first kajal. I'm going in the ascending order from the lowest price to the highest price. So the lowest one is the L18 Eye Drama Bold Black Kajal Pencil. It looks something like this. This retails for rupees 90. You heard it right. It's just for 90, and I love its color payoff. It's a retractable pencil, and let me just swatch it for you. You see that it's jet black. It's very creamy, but when it's creamy, sometimes what happens is it glides really well, but it also starts budging off. But this one, once it dries off, it does not budge. It stays there, it stays put, and it's a great kajal for the money you're giving. It's 90 rupees, and it generally you get in offers in Purple and in Nykaa, or even if you have to buy it from store, you have it in almost everywhere. L18 products are very easily available, so this has a lot of pros, I guess, and the price is also very less. So give it a try and let me know how you like this one. The second kajal after the L18 kajal will be the Nykaa Black Magic Kajal. This retails for 170 rupees, and this is again a great choice. This is my second tube and it's completely new. So you know I have like completely finished my first one, and I just bought this one in the last sale of Nykaa. So these are great. I love its pigmentation and the price point of view. You see, I am not even pressing the kajal on my skin. I'm just rubbing it very slightly, and the amount of pigmentation that is giving is crazy. The second one is the Nykaa's pencil. It's clearly very dark and more pigmented than the L18's kajal, but because this is extremely creamy, it breaks off quite often. As you see it in this pencil, this is broken while I was like putting so much less pressure and just applying it, so it does break. So you have to be very gentle and very careful. It also stays for 5 hours and more if you don't rub your eyes or your eyes are not very watery, so that you have to keep in concern. The only con is that it breaks and it's very creamy. You have to let it set until it becomes smudge proof, waterproof and whatnot. Apologies first. The second pencil, or the pencil that should have been the second one, is the Stay Quirky's Badass Kajal. This retails for 125 rupees. You see the name is completely ripped off because I have used this so much. For the price point of view, this kajal is the best. Just check out that pigmentation, and this is for just 125 rupees. This is the perfect formula I have seen. These two were extremely creamy, but this is definitely very pigmented. But this Stay Quirky's kajal is out of the world. This stays in the waterline as if you have set it with some black powder. This is super good and super affordable. Please try this one. You will not regret this. It's my special favorite. So this bags that place. But one con is that Stay Quirky's products are only available on purple.com, so you will have to get it from there. They are not available on Nykaa or other stores. So or online stores as of now, so you will have to get it from purple.com. Now we have completed the best 3 kajals below 200 rupees. So these were the pigmentation of it, and these easily stay for more than 5 hours, and I use this for my personal occasions for myself, not on my clients or brides, because they are good, but still they don't last like the other 2 products I'm going to show you now. So the first one, again going in price order range, is the Plum Nature Studio All Day Wear Kohl Kajal. This retails for 495 rupees, and this is one of the best kajals I've come across. This is great. This one is highly pigmented. It's not very creamy. It does dry down a bit when you don't use it frequently, but all you have to do is just rub it on your palm. Products generally heat up when you rub them against your skin. We do that with concealers, foundations, so that you can do. And then you get something like this. This does not take any time to set, and it's flawless. It's so beautiful. And the last but not the least, my most favorite kajal, which I use on my clients, my brides, my friends, or on models. This is the Revlon Color Stay One Stroke Definition Eyeliner Kajal. You can also use it as an eyeliner, just as the name says. This pencil is my go-to for my brides. I don't use anything else apart from this. I have been using this on my clients, and it has never budged, because living in Tamil Nadu, we take South Indian brides, and South Indian brides mostly sit in front of Agni, so there's a lot of heat that the bride has to stay in front of for almost 3 to 4 hours. If the bride is preferring a kajal, it has to be super strong and super smudge proof and waterproof no matter what, because we don't want our brides to be filled with kajal water. As I said before, all of these 5 kajals are very smudge proof, very waterproof, and they apply beautifully, they stay beautifully, they don't tug your eyes or cause any irritation. So these are the best kajals I would suggest. So try out these kajals, and if you like any, please tag me on your Instagram stories and drop your comments in the comment section below, so that others can also be benefited out of it. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Please go and do that. So until next time,